Hello everyone! So today's video request is how to image resize in Canva. Well, today I'm actually going to share with you two things. First one is how to resize an image within your design, and the second part would be about how to resize an entire design. So let's get started. Say for example, this is your picture. In order to resize it, go ahead and click it, and you'll see these toggle buttons on the corners and on the edges. If you want to resize it, just go ahead and click a button and then drag it. It's as easy as that. Now, if you want to learn how to resize an entire design, then please watch the next part. Well, there are actually two things we can do. One is for those who have a Canva subscription, and one is for those who don't have a Canva subscription. All right, so let's get started. Well, if you're a Canva Pro user, then I think it's going to be easier for you to do and resize your image. Say, for example, this is your design. So in order to resize it, you just have to go to this resize button on the upper left, click on it, and then indicate the dimensions you want your current image to be resized to. So in our case, we're going to go for probably 720 for the width, and then just same 1080 for the height. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and select from these two. So it's either you copy and resize, which means Canva will make another copy of your design and resize it there automatically, or just immediately resize. That means this current version will not be saved and will automatically be resized to the dimensions you input here. So in our case, I'd like to go with copy and resize instead. So let's go ahead and click that. And here we are. So Canva has automatically resized our design while also saving the original copy. And as you can see, we're gonna have to do some editing because the dimensions are different. That means there's a lot of space to fill here, but that's okay. We can just select all of them and drag it down. And then just manually position everything else. Maybe we could scale this to be bigger. We're gonna move the others first. And there you go. So how do we resize it if we don't have a Canva subscription? Well, we're going to go to our home page and we're going to click on Create a Design. We're going to select Custom Size, and here we're going to input the our desired dimensions. Say, for example, 720 for the width and 1080 for the height. That's pixels as its unit. And once you're done inputting here, click on Create New Design. Let's go back to our original design first. We're going to select the page so that we're going to copy the background color. By the way, press Ctrl C to copy it, and then Ctrl plus V to paste it. And then we're gonna select all the other elements. So you can actually just do this, or you can also press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard to select everything. Once everything's selected, press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard several times just to make sure that you successfully copy it. And then go back to this page right here and press Ctrl plus V on your keyboard. If it's not going to work, then just right click and then select paste from the drop down. And as you can see, everything's here. You just need to, well, I think it's going to need some time to reposition all the other elements, but yeah, at least you can do this for free. So go ahead and resize everything. And here you go. So this was the one we created with a Canva subscription, and this was the one we created without a Canva subscription. And basically that's it. We hope you found our video for today of help, and we thank you so much for watching. By the way, if you want to see how I created this design, then please feel free to keep watching. If not, then that's okay. We appreciate it anyway. So thank you once again and see you in our next video. Goodbye!